Hello students, I'll be taking maths for class 5th. So today's topic is large numbers. I have already started this topic. Today we are going to learn about comparing numbers. Now what are comparing numbers? You already know. Let's take one example, 4 and 5. So what do you infer? You know that 5 is greater than 4. This now the same method we are using to compare large numbers. For this, we have to know about these two steps. Let's see which are those steps. Now the first step says the number with the greater number of digit is greater. Now what do you mean by this? Let's take one example. Now if you see here, we have two numbers. Alright. Now we have to see, first I will put the place values here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now if you see here, I have put the place values. Okay. Now you have to count the number of digits here. In this case, how many digits are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits. In this particular case, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here there are 5 digits. Now you know that 6 is greater than 5. So that means this number is greater than this number. So this number is greater. So you can put a sign like this with the opening side for a greater number. Let's take one more example. Now if you see here, first you put a place value if you want. I have put the place values. Now you count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there are 4 digits. Count the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits. Can you tell me which number is greater here? Yes, this number is greater than this number. Alright, now let's see the second step. Now the second step says if the number of digits are same, compare the leftmost digit first. Now what do you mean by this? Let's take one example. Now I have two numbers here. Let's put their place values. Ones, 100, 1000. Tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now if you see here, we have to count the number of digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there are 6 digits. Let's see the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also we have 6 digits. Now if you see here, both are having 6 digits. Now which number is greater? How to know? Now if you compare, we do not know because first we will see the leftmost. Now it is said when both the numbers are having the same number of digits, it is said to compare the leftmost number or digit. Okay, so we will compare the leftmost number first. That is, here it is 7, here also it is 7. Next, when you get the same number here, we'll move on to the next number. That is, we'll move on to the next number 8. Here also we have the same number, 8 and 8. Still we will not get which number is greater. Next we move on to next number 2. Here also we have 2, here also we have 2. Okay. We'll move on to next number 3. Here also we have 3. Okay. Next we will move on to the next number. We have here 4 and we have here 6. Now if you see here, there is 4 here, there is 6 here. Now can you tell me which number is greater? Yes, 6 is greater than 4. That means this whole number is greater than this number. So I'll put a sign like this. Alright, so now let's start with the exercise 1.3. Let's take the first question, A. Fill in the blanks with signs. They have given us 2 signs. Okay, let's take the first one. Look at this number. Now can you find out which number is greater? Yes. First we will count the number of digits here. So let's count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here there are 8 digits. Next we'll count the number of digits over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also we have 8 digits. Next, what is the next step? We will see the leftmost number which is there. Here we get 3 here, and here we have 4. Now tell me which number is greater? Yes, obviously 4 is greater than 3. So this number is larger than this number. So let's start with question B now. Arrange in ascending order. Now what do you mean by ascending? It means we have to arrange the number from small to big. So I have written these numbers, 4 numbers I have written. We have to arrange it in ascending order. Let's see how. First, we will count the number of digits in each case. Alright? So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, there are 8 digits. Next, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, there are 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here there are only 7 digits. And the last number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here there are 9 digits. We have to write the answer. Okay. First we have to write the smallest number. Can you tell me, looking at the numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, the 7-digit number is the smallest, so I write . Okay. Next number, here we have 899. Yes, the next number is the 8-digit number. Now here we see 9 digits and 9 digits. Both are having 9 digits. Now what we have to do? We have to follow the next step. That is, compare the leftmost number first. Now if we compare 3 and 3, we have same. 8 and 8. We have to move on, keep on moving to the right side. So here 5 and 5 same, 4 and 4 both the same, 7, 7, 9, 9, 8, 8, and when we come to the tens place, we see there is 5 and here we have 6. Correct. Now can you tell me which number is smaller here? Correct. 5 is smaller than 6. So this number will come here. And finally this number. So we are done with the ascending order. Let's see how to do descending order. Let's do C, first one. Let's take question C. Arrange in descending order. Now what do you mean by descending? Yes, it means we have to arrange the number from big to small. So let's take the first number. So I have written the question here. Let's arrange it in descending order. So first we have to write the bigger number, then little smaller, smaller, and then the smallest number. Let's see how to do. The same way. Now here we have to first count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also we have 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also we have 7 digits. And finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all are 7 digits. So what are we supposed to do, students? We are supposed to follow the second method. That is, we have to compare the leftmost number first. Okay. So we see here we have 3, 3, 3, 3. All are starting with 3. Next number, we are moving to the next number. We get 3 here, we have 4 here, we have 4 here, we have 30 here. Alright, so what are we supposed to do? We are doing descending order. That means we have to write the bigger number first. Now we have 3 here, 4, 4 and 0. Now this number is out. We have to see with this number and this number. Now we have to see which number is bigger. Correct? Because we have 3, 4, 3, 4. Now we will move on to the next number because we have already covered 3, 4 and 3, 4. We are going to the next number. We get here 2. We are getting here 1. So you know that 2 is bigger than 1. So I write this number first. You write answer 3, 4, 2, 6, 7, 9, 9. So this number is first. Then the second number, I write this number because here it is 34, here it is 33. So after this number comes. So 34 lakh 15,999. Now, these numbers we have written, these two numbers are done. Next, let's see which is the next bigger number. Okay, smaller number. So here we see 33 and 30. So this will come first. So 33 lakh 29,567. Okay, and the last number is this. What we have done? We have arranged the number in descending order. That is from big to small. how to form the greatest and the smallest number when you are given a particular digits. Okay, forming the greater and smaller number without repeating digits. So first we will see without repeating digit. Now let's take one example here. I am given certain digits here. For example, 7, 8, 9, 2, 0. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. I have 5 digits here. I have to make the greatest number and the smallest number using only these digits which are given, and I cannot repeat the digits. So here I will write without repeating digits. So without repeating digits, I have to make this greatest number and smallest number. Remember, when you are doing the greatest number, we have to arrange these digits in the descending order. Okay? When we are finding the smallest number, we have to arrange these digits in the ascending order. So let's make the first number, that is greatest number, with this given digits. Now if you see, can you tell me which is the greatest digit here? Yes, it is 9. So I write 9 here. Okay. Next is 8. Next is 7, 2, 0. So this is the greatest digit I can make out of 5 digits which are given here. Let's make the smallest number, okay, out of this given 5 digits. So here how will I make? I cannot start with 0. Okay, we cannot start with 0. So we have to take the next smallest number, that is 2. I take 2 here. 0 I have to put in the seconds place. So I put 0 here. Okay, then the next number is 7, then 8, and then 9. Can you see the number is ascending here from small to big. So I put here a comma, and this is the smallest number I get. Let's see how to arrange numbers with repeating digits. Let's take one example. Okay, you are given how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we have 6 digits. Out of this 6 digit, I have to make greater number and smallest number okay, using these digits. I have to make 8-digit number. Now how many digits are given to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are given 6 digits here. We have to make a greater number. Okay, using these digits we have to make 8-digit number. Now we have to make first greatest number. Okay, now greatest number means we have to write in descending order. Now first number will, which number will come here first? Yes, we will have 8 here first. Now you know there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and we have to make 8 digits. So that means we have to add 2 more digits to make the number 8-digit number. So I write 8 first. Now you know if I add 2 more numbers, I will get 8 digit number. So I have to add 2 more 8s. I have to add 2 more 8s. Then you continue with the next digits, that is 7, 4, 3, 2 and 0. Now count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the greatest number. What I have done, I have repeated 8 twice because I had to make 8 digit number from 6 digit number. Okay, I cannot put 7 twice because it won't become a greater number. I wanted a greater number, so I had to add 8 twice. Next we will see the smallest number. As I said, I cannot use 0 first. I have to start with 2 first. Okay, then I have to add 0 in the second place. Now again, there are only 6 digits. I have to make 8 digit, correct? So to make 8 digit, I need to add 2 more zeros, 2 more digits. So we are adding 2 more zeros here. Why? Because 0 is the smallest number. So I add 2 more zeros. Then I write, which is the next larger number, that is 3, 4, 7, 8. Now count how many number digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 digit number. Put the commas. Okay. Here we got the smallest number. What I have done, I have repeated 0 twice. I cannot put 3 twice. I cannot put 2 twice because it won't give us the smallest number. Okay. So let's start with the exercise. Let's do F, first one. Now they have given us digits 3, 4, 6, 0, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have given 6 digits. We have to repeat the digit only once. Okay, and make the greatest number and the smallest number. So let's start with the greatest number. We have to write 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 0. Here we get the greatest number. Okay, we have to write the smallest number using the same number. We cannot repeat. They said use only once. So I write the smallest number. So smallest number here is 0. So I cannot start with 0, as I told you all. We have to use 3 first, then 0. Okay, then which is the next number? 4, 6, 8, 9. This is the way you have to do. Greatest number and the smallest number. Let's do G. Here they have given us digits. They have given us 4 digits, but we have to make 6 digits. That means we have to repeat the digit. Okay, we have to make 6 digits. Digit number. Now, first you write greatest number, smallest number, now to write greatest number, we have to start with the greater number, that is 9. Now you know we have to make 6 digits. We have only 4 digits. That means we have to add 2 more digits. So I write 9. Again I have to add 2 more 9s. Then 8, 6, 0. So this is the greatest number. I have repeated the number just to make 6 digit number. Now we have to make the smallest number. So how will you start? You will start with 6 because 6 is the smallest number here. We cannot write 0 first. Okay, so I write 0 in the second place. I have to add 2 more zeros and then 8, 9. Okay, this is how we have done with the topic. Okay, comparing numbers. we learned how to compare the large numbers. Then we learned how to repeat the digit and make a greatest and smallest number. And also we have learned how to write the greatest and smallest number without repeating digits. So thank you. Have a nice day.